Hey everybody, this is Annie. I realized I moved into a new studio over 6 months ago, and I thought we'd do a quick little studio tour. Let's go. I work out of the fourth bedroom of my house. It used to be my daughter's bedroom. So let's go in. I got paintings hanging on the wall. Oh, there's a chicken scratch fabric collection. A friend of mine made an adorable bag for me out of that fabric collection. Oh, and there's a bag from the Doggone Fun collection. And some knobbies hanging. I'm gonna step back so I don't know if you can see. Oh, and my daughter had Christmas lights, so I left them up because it's fun. My computer. And then I have vinyl tablecloth on the floor to help protect it in case I drop a paintbrush or something. That's a mat. That's a barn painting I did last summer. I'm going to turn the corner here after we come in. Some storage canvases. Oh, paintings I'm going to be taken to Ginger's hang up here in Omaha. A marshmallow. Love the bees. They've been popular. This is a new bee this year. And Trio of Trouble. Oh, there's a Santa that I started. He's not looking very healthy right now. He's looking a little purpley blue. And there's a barn painting. Mr. Bag. And then just a chalk wall. My daughter used to write on it, decorate it. I need to put something on it. And then one of my aprons out of my Doggone Fun collection. That's through Blank Quilting. There's an all over dog pattern. And here's a really fun stripe. It's just so cute. Okay, and then a whole bunch of big canvases. I really should put these in another bedroom. And then I got a little cabinet, and I can put some paint over here. There's my daughter's kitty on some pumpkins. So when I'm painting on my big easel, I'm gonna back up again. Got a little work area next to it. There's where my cat sleeps. My computer. Oh, hey, I should show you these. Back up again. There's some adorable gnomes I painted. It's just on a sheet of canvas for my agent. Aren't those fun? They're so cute. I love the variety of art I'm able to do in my job. And here's my cat. There's Freckles. She's gonna hop in my chair. She loves to sit in my chair. More artwork. Oh, there's me on my computer. I just filmed an intro for the little studio tour. The boat garden flag I just had printed from Flagology. It hasn't been licensed yet, but I love the quality of their flags. And then that one came out just a couple months ago, the Peaceful Winter Wishes with the church on it through Carson. Oh, a t-shirt that I'm gonna ship on my printer. It's winter, that's my backyard. Oh, here's some fun mugs I just had printed up. I've already sold quite a few at Self-Expressions Gallery in Nebraska City. Aren't those fun? I have notepads to match. There's all my paints. I primarily use Liquitex Heavy Body because you can thin them out and they're heavily pigmented, which is really nice. I do use some student grade paint because it's quicker to have, for example, white in a student grade. That pretty little flower painting is waiting for you. That's gonna be going to Ginger's hang up here pretty quick. This weird twisty white thing is how I do my time-lapse videos. I put my phone in the holder right here in the top. And then this is a painting I'm working on. I'm doing a time lapse of it. I have it sitting down there and I film little bits and sections of me painting it. And then just got a canvas back there to protect the wall from paint splatters. Brushes, my old license plate on my VW Bug, Doodle Bee. And that's pretty much it.